Today we're viewing stock number 203281 on a 2015 Chevy 1500 double cab, and our exterior color is tungsten. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, cloth upholstery, light controls, trailer brake, tilt steering, cruise control, AM/FM radio, climate control with AC, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, and four-wheel drive controls. Your interior color is black and gray. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, alloy wheels, mud flaps, tailgate step, backup camera, tonneau cover, box rails, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, full bench seat, and you can fold that seat up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 203281 on a 2015 Chevy 1500 double cab. And our exterior color is tungsten.